Hello everyone. What I have today is an Iseo Euro cylinder, but it is pinned up with the, let me focus on the key a little bit. It's pinned up with the check pins or the chest pins that LockNoob designed. So we're going to see how quick we can get in this thing. Well, we're not going for quickness, going for how well we can get into this thing. No, there we go. Got our false set. And we got it open. Alright. We do have a key for this, so we can safely lock it back up. I hate these really thin shims. And let me get a regular shim. This one's kind of beat up, so hopefully it'll work. That's really all we need to cover there anyway. Just that little ridge. I'm throwing that shim away. See all the key pins needed to be picked. Alright, let's dump them out. Key pins aren't really what's important about this lock because we're looking for those check pins. Alright, key pins all look standard. Our first pin last one is the stack of checkers. All the springs are, let's try to zoom in. Well, not zoom, but here. I'm trying to avoid having to take all the springs out. We can see they're all in there. They're all the same, so really no sense in pulling them. Alright, I'll give you a close-up on these beautiful pins. Alright guys, that is the checkers and chess pins designed by LockNoob. You can buy these pins at Sparrow's website. Those people there. But yeah, they're actually really cheap and really cool. So go get you a set. They're fun to play with. Anyway, thanks for watching everybody. Y'all have a wonderful night. Bye.